everyone, welcome back to another new video. Make sure to click like and hit that subscribe button down below. Today we are going to do our very own Miniverse lifestyle replicas, making our very own fish tank. Here is the turtle that I got and made with my very first lifestyle Miniverse, and some other pets I got from Zuru. So if you would like to make your very own aquatic tank, keep watching. So we're going to need some type of plants. Stones can be found at parks and outside. I'm using the little aquatic stones as kinetic sand. You need a fish and a container. These are tops, and this is the resin from the original one I made with the turtle. But number one is containers, guys. You can get these off of foundation lids, perfume bottles, different lids. Here I've shown you what it looks like using hot glue as the water. This is Mod Podge. This is how it dries completely clear. This is a mixture of hot glue and Mod Podge. It's a little bit opaque. And this is one that I already started. The bottom, we're using kinetic sand. That's exactly what they give you in the Miniverse. But if you put your Mod Podge too thick, you'll end up looking white. You want it to be clear, so it's going to take a lot of layers. So you need to have the right type of container, which could be round for you. It could be square. It could be wide or long. Second, kinetic sand or any type of sand, really. The kind that comes with it, feels like kinetic sand. You're going to need Mod Podge, paint, colors, nail polish, and I used air dry clay to make my very own fishy. I got this one out of a game, and this is two other goldfish that I made using air dry clay, Mod Podge for sealant, and markers for the outline. And excuse my hands, when I made this video I had been crafting. So there are lots of different ways to create the water. You could use Mod Podge, you could use nail polish, you could use resin, you could use pretty much whatever you wanted, but these are the different sizes of containers that I found laying around my house, and these are perfect for making little aquariums. Kinetic sand or any sand is perfect. Mod Podge is great, and nail polish for sealant. We can use markers to color our fish. We could get fish already. I found this one from one of my children's kids games. We could have used that, but I'm going to pick to use the fishy I made. You also could use some greenery, which you could make out of hot glue or from some plants from the Dollar Tree. We have our kinetic sand in, and we are going to use some of the resin from our turtle. And I've already put in a layer of Mod Podge and let that dry before taping. So really all you need is a container, something to act as the liquid, kinetic sand, any sand, rocks from outside, and some fake plants from the store, any type of greenery that you can find. Look in our video playlist. I'm sure there's videos on how to make miniature plants, but this is how it's looking so far. We have a few air bubbles, guys, but let's see. It still needs some time to dry. My fishy's a little sideways, so we'll need to straighten him up. But one tip is to make sure to seal it after painting it. See everyone next time.